Laravel is a great framework. Like for PHP, we can say Symfony and Laravel, and Laravel has great community over there. Like a lot of people already doing great stuff. And with AdonisJS, it's been growing. Like Twitter, you can see like some 8,000 plus followers are there, and yeah, the main thing is like from Laravel, AdonisJS. Like somebody want to jump from PHP to Node.js, Adonis is the best thing I would say, because like it has almost everything like middleware, controller, routing, everything same. Then yeah, now I have set up the projects in my local, like Laravel with version 10 and AdonisJS version 5, and I have set two routes, one for home route like with message success and health okay, and another one users route that will query from the users table. Similarly on AdonisJS also I have set out two routes, like same message success health okay and users route to query all the users. So yeah, this is the current setup in my local. And then for the database configurations, in the env I use MySQL, and Laravel is the database name. Similarly in AdonisJS, same thing, it's MySQL and Laravel database, same exact points to the same database, so that we can check the benchmarks and based on the performance in particularly for the framework alone. And now I will showcase my versions. PHP 8.2 I use, and that's been September 1st. And for Node.js version, like it's 18.17.1, like current LTS version on Node. So yeah, so these all things are latest one. And now I will start my server on Laravel, and similarly I will start in for AdonisJS as well. So now both the servers are started. Let's visit the route. So yep, so we'll got the home route rendered, like message success and health okay. So we'll go to the network tab and refresh the page. Like it will show the time it took to render that page. So now it's 20 millisecond. And then let's check out the AdonisJS base route as well. So yeah, we have rendered, and this host on 3333, and for Laravel it's 8,000. So it's the same thing, like but when you check the network tab and check performance, like it loads in 3 milliseconds. It's really great actually, because if we compare to Laravel one, it's 20 millisecond. It's like more than like 6 times faster, something like that. So it's really been AdonisJS showing a like compelling performance over there. And yeah, let's check with benchmarks first. So yeah, for benchmark I use Apache benchmark, and Apache benchmark like with this you can submit like bulk requests, like 10,000 requests and 100 concurrent requests, something like that you can do. So I will first start the benchmark for Laravel. So yeah, 10,000 requests and 100 concurrent requests been submitted to Laravel on the 8,000 port. So let's wait till it get completed. So it's completed, and Laravel took 48.5 seconds. So that's pretty good only. Like yeah, it's fast. So similarly we will check with AdonisJS. So same thing, I'm starting Apache benchmark with A, B, yep, same thing, 3333 port. Now yeah, it's quick actually. There is no cut in this, and you can see the time taken, like 1.6 seconds. So it's like really very fast. If we compared with Laravel, it's like Laravel took that 48.5 seconds and this is 1.6. It's really huge, and 10,000 requests that executed in a snap like that. So now let's check with like database thing. Like we can go for round 2 users. So loading users route in Laravel. So yep, I missed to start the database. Let me start. So now I have started the database and hitting this. Yep, I have 2 rows in the users table, and Yep. So similarly for AdonisJS, I run in 3333 for the same route users, and same two records have been returned. So now let's check the performance on the browser now with by opening the network tab. So opening network tab. Yep. So Laravel took like 20 millisecond. So for AdonisJS it's like 6 milliseconds. So even though it both queries from the same database with two rows, like it just took 6 millisecond. So like it's really fast. Laravel same thing, 20 millisecond for regular route as well, and this one. Yeah, let's check with benchmarks as well now, so that we will get a clean idea on how much it took. So 8000 port I'm running for the users one. So same thing. Let me fast forward this. Yep. So now Laravel took like 89.2 second. So it's like double the time than the actual like base route, which doesn't have any database interaction. Now let's check with for the AdonisJS for the same users route. I will set to 3333. Now, yep, it's fast and blast. I don't know. Like it took like 2.5 seconds. I don't know. Like Laravel took 89 seconds to process 10,000 requests. Now here, this is like insane. I would say 10,000 requests with DB database queries. Like it's really cool. So if you check Laravel 89.2 and yeah. So you can say like for Laravel the default server is for development purpose. It's not for managing bulk loads. Now I have already set up that, like for now I am stopping that default server, and I have already loaded that. If you say Laravel 10.test, this is routed through Nginx, the same server, like same application, but just routed via Nginx and PHP FPM. So now if I refresh and load it here, it's like 4 milliseconds been reduced from the base route on development server, like 16 millisecond. And if I check the users one and refresh, it's like same, like 20, 26 milliseconds, 17 millisecond. So let's benchmark this one as well, like AB for Laravel 10.test. Yep. So I will fast forward this one for you. It's done, and it took like 40 seconds. So when compared with the previous one, like 89 seconds it took, and yeah, so like half a time now. So half a time, it's still good, but still with Nginx 40 seconds, and AdonisJS just runs that 10,000 requests for users in 2.5 seconds. Even though if you check that this is Nginx, and yeah, there it tells like for server software it loads on the default like 127 localhost, and previous run also 127, but took 89 seconds. So it's clear that AdonisJS is the winner, and yep, I won't say you have to jump to AdonisJS immediately, because say still AdonisJS like it has a growing community, and now only they are releasing the like version 5, then version 6 now. It's on early access, like only for a closed community, like alpha release it's been going on. So whenever it releases I will post a video on that, and then yeah, other than that like for the community support, if you check in compared with Laravel, like it still have lesser community. So if you check for any doubts on the Stack Overflow, you can find less results. So maybe for companies to adapt, like they will accept in a while, like because it has to grow that much, and strong community should have been grown. So till that, I would recommend for any personal project you can easily like get up and running, and yep. If you like the video, you can subscribe, like and share. See you.